Somewhere in the darkness, a deer stands perfectly still, invisible. Then a beam of light cuts through the night, and two bright circles glow back. The animal never moved. It never made a sound, but its own eyes just gave it away. Every year, millions of animals are hunted using one simple trick, a flashlight. And the cruel irony? The very feature that helps them survive the dark is the same thing that gets them killed. It's called spotlighting or lamping. Hunters drive through fields and forests at night, sweeping powerful lights across the landscape. When the beam hits an animal, its eyes light up like reflectors on a highway. Deer, raccoons, foxes, alligators, they all glow. Different species, different colors. Some shine bright green, others amber or red. And for a hunter, that glow is a target marker handed to them by nature itself. The animal freezes, caught in what we call a deer in headlights response. It's not just a saying. The sudden brightness overwhelms their vision, leaving them disoriented and motionless. In that moment, they are completely vulnerable. But here's the question most people never think to ask. Why do their eyes glow at all? You've seen it with cats, dogs, and wildlife. But point a flashlight at a human face, and nothing. Just a regular eye staring back. So what do animals have that we don't? The answer is a thin, mirror-like layer behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum, Latin for bright tapestry. When light enters an animal's eye, it hits the retina, the cells that detect light. In our eyes, any light the retina misses is lost. But in animals with a tapetum, that leftover light bounces back and passes through the retina a second time. A second chance to capture every available photon. This is why cats hunt in near total darkness. Why owls spot mice under starlight. Their eyes recycle light, squeezing visibility from the faintest glow. But that reflected light doesn't all stay inside the eye. Some bounces right back out, and that's the glow you see. It's not the animal producing light. It's your light, returned to you like a mirror flashing in the dark. Humans simply don't have this layer. Our ancestors evolved as daytime creatures. We traded night vision for sharper detail and better color perception. We see in high definition, but only when the lights are on. Not all eyeshine is the same. The color depends on the animal's tapetum composition, the angle of the light, and the species. Deer typically glow bright white or greenish. Alligators produce a fierce red. Coyotes shine a yellowish green. Raccoons reflect a bright amber. Wild boar give off a dim reddish-orange glow, low to the ground. For hunters, this color chart is a field guide. They learn to read the glow, its color, height off the ground, spacing between the eyes to identify exactly what they're looking at before they even see its body. Think about what that means. An animal standing in complete darkness, perfectly camouflaged, silent, invisible to every natural predator on Earth, and all it takes is one beam of light to mark it like a bullseye. It's not a hunt, it's a scan and shoot. And this is where evolution's gift becomes a curse. The tapetum lucidum evolved over millions of years to help animals survive in darkness. It was never meant to face artificial light. Spotlighting is so effective that it's been banned or heavily restricted for game animals in most countries and states, though it remains legal in some regions for predator and pest control, like coyotes and feral hogs. It's considered unsportsmanlike at best, ecologically devastating at worst. Nursing mothers are killed, leaving orphaned young. Entire populations of nocturnal species can be decimated where lamping goes unchecked. The evolutionary arms race between predator and prey never accounted for a species that could manufacture its own sun. These animals adapted to outrun wolves, to camouflage against owls, to sense the vibrations of a stalking cat. None of those millions of years prepared them for a truck with a spotlight. The next time you see an animal's eyes glowing back at you from the dark, remember you're looking at one of nature's most elegant inventions, a mirror that turns darkness into sight. But in a world we've flooded with artificial light, that mirror has become a beacon that says, "I'm right here." Evolution doesn't plan for everything. Sometimes the very thing that keeps you alive is the thing that gives you away. If this video changed how you see the dark, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Drop a comment. Did you know about the tapetum lucidum before today? We've got more stories where nature's designs have unexpected consequences. See you in the next one.